From the front, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Hybrid stands bold. Sharp LED headlights and a futuristic grille define its new identity. At the rear, sleek taillights and the signature hybrid badge highlight its modern, eco-friendly design. From the side, the Corolla Hybrid flows with aerodynamic lines, creating a premium and elegant stance. On the right, its sculpted body and glossy reflections showcase Toyota's refined craftsmanship. From above, the panoramic sunroof and smooth roofline give it a futuristic and aerodynamic appeal. On the move, the Corolla Hybrid delivers a perfect balance of performance and efficiency, gliding effortlessly on the road. And at night, the glowing headlights and bold silhouette ensure it turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a digital cockpit with a sleek steering wheel, modern dashboard, and high-tech displays. The advanced infotainment system offers futuristic connectivity, with every control at your fingertips. From the driver's view, comfort and control merge seamlessly for a confident driving experience. Passengers in the rear enjoy premium leather seating, spacious legroom, and a ride built for comfort. And the full cabin, with its ambient lighting and premium materials, completes the perfect balance of luxury and practicality. As the journey ends, the 2026 Corolla Hybrid continues to move forward into the future. The Corolla Hybrid, more than a car, it's a vision of tomorrow. Blending nature, design, and technology, the 2026 Corolla Hybrid is built for every horizon. Toyota Corolla Hybrid, redefining the future of driving.